So listen to this. For decades, we've been told that to build wealth in the stock market, you need to follow the teachings of the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Buy cheap companies, demand heavy free cash flow, wait for the dividends, and sleep well at night. But what if I told you that in today's market, these teachings are actively destroying your portfolio? So today we are tearing down the illusion of modern value investing. I'm going to show you why clinging to free cash flow is making you miss out on the biggest generational wealth transfers of our time. Now, let's get one thing straight. When whales like Warren Buffett or Bill Ackman take a massive position in a company, they don't invest like you and I. They have a seat at the table. They dictate what happens. And what do they want? They want cash. They force these companies to focus on paying shareholders the highest dividends and buying back stock instead of reinvesting in growth, in innovation, in disruption. Look at what just happened with mature holdings like Apple. Over the last few years, the focus has shifted heavily towards capital return. It's all about sucking the current value dry instead of funding the next massive leap in innovation. Today's value investors follow these preachings thinking that they can sleep better, owning these high free cash flow generating machines. But while they're sleeping, they missed out on the entire AI trade. They missed out on the tech boom. If your company is handing you all its cash, it means that they have no idea how to grow anymore. Here is the reality check. Free cash flow is easily manipulated by the management. It's a choice. Let's take a look at Google. For years, Alphabet was the ultimate free cash flow machine. Value investors loved it. But look at what the management just did. They intentionally went from free cash flow machine to a negative free cash flow company. Why? Because they are spending more than they generate on building out the AI data center infrastructure. They don't even know the exact payout yet, but they know that if they don't invest now, they're gonna die. So as a pure value investor holding Google, what did management just do to you? They destroyed your precious free cash flow metric to chase a massive growth trend. And honestly, they had to. But ask yourself this: if you really want to generate a 10x return on a company that is already worth $2 billion, is it possible? Probably not. You see, to find the next 10x, 50x, or 100x returns, you have to look where value purists refuse to look. If you follow strict teachings of Buffett, you will miss out on companies solving multi-trillion-dollar world problems, because these companies will never screen well, but they are exactly where the real wealth is generated. Let's look at a company that is really changing the world, Aduro Clean Technologies. This company is tackling the global plastic waste problem, a $100 billion total addressable market. Aduro is using a patented hydrochemolytic technology to chemically upcycle the hardest to recycle plastics back into high-value resources. And it doesn't stop at plastics. They are applying this tech to the paraffinic oil glut and extracting high-value BTEX chemicals. This is the industrial equivalent of finding a cure for cancer. But value investors will not look at it because today, 3 inches in front of their face, there's no free cash flow. You see, Aduro is heavily investing in pilot plants and R&D, and value investors are going to pass. Need proof that ignoring a free cash flow works? I mean, look at AST SpaceMobile. AST's shareholders have watched their stock go from $2 to over $100 in the last 3 years. Or look at SpaceX. These companies are revolutionizing low Earth orbit cellular broadband and space travel. Do they look cheap based on free cash flow? Absolutely not. They are hyper-growth disruptors. Listen, the market has changed. The era of buying sleepy, slow-growing dividend stocks and hoping to beat the market is over. If you want to create real, life-changing wealth, you need to find the disruptors. You need to look at companies like Aduro Clean Technologies that are solving massive, global, trillion-dollar world problems before the rest of Wall Street figures it out. Stop letting outdated value investing rules destroy your portfolio's potential. Do your research, understand the technology, and invest in the future, not the past. So with that being said, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you next time.